And I could not find, like, I found a trailhead, but I did not find like a parking lot for this place. So I think you just park in the neighborhoods. There's lots of points in the neighborhoods you can park. And I guess you just park on the streets. But there isn't like a dedicated parking lot. Here we go. Ooh. Well, I think the water's a little low.
Yeah.
Good early afternoon, everybody. We are currently in Maine, in Portland, Maine to be exact. And we're just gonna go on a little early afternoon hike, and nothing super special. We do have something to go to. We're gonna go to Jewel Falls up here. Kind of following along this railroad track, and then we're supposed to get on an orange trail to the left and then another white trail to the left, and that'll take us to the falls. We're only like 10 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes outside of Portland, and got this nice little park here with some waterfalls. But that's not really the point of this video. The point of this video is to tell you that we are doing a little bit of a life change. So Rebecca has left her job in Norfolk, Virginia, and is now officially travel nursing. So that means we won't be based out of Norfolk, Virginia all year anymore. We'll be moving around. So first, well, this is her second spot that she took. First one far away from the home is right here in Portland. So we'll be here in Portland, Maine all summer, and you're gonna have plenty of amazing, here's our first trail. Yeah, switch over this way. So you're gonna have plenty of amazing stuff coming from Maine, and we'll probably go up into Canada and anything else in the region. Who knows what we get into, but we're gonna be up here based out of Maine for the next 3 months and making videos just to share with you. So now we're going to be, at least for the next while here, mobile all year round. So that's going to be a big change. So that's how we're going to continue to make videos, because, you know, we might be in Maine for this 3 months, but, you know, another set of months we might end up in California or Arizona or Kansas, or who knows where we could end up. And we're going to show you little bits of the country as we go. So we've actually been living here for a couple months now, and we just haven't gotten around to doing a video to introduce what we're doing here. And why you would expect to see a bunch of Maine videos. So we've already filmed a lot of stuff, exciting things that we probably would have never saw or done had we not lived here. So that's what we've got coming for you next. So we've just, obviously, if you're following us, you saw that we were just in Europe. So we'll still be doing those trips as we can, but in the meantime, we'll have plenty of time now to see other parts of the United States. And whereas we normally kind of travel quickly so we can see a lot, we'll be based out of a different area every 3 months, so we can kind of do a little bit more in-depth dive into the different regions in the United States. So maybe as we start choosing new ones, if you follow us on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, we'll start saying, hey, this is the area we're moving to. If you have any places we need to go, you let us know, and then we'll look into those places and hit some of them up and share them with everybody else. Oh wow, look at this tree. So this is just like a nice local park to Portland. Portland's super nice little city. And maybe I'll do a video downtown at some point. Really nice little town right on the port. It's got a Boston-y northeastern city feel. Rebecca is originally from Maine, so she probably just thinks it's a lot like home to her. To me, it's a little different, you know. We've been eating lots of lobster rolls and chowder, and what else?
I'm trying.
Whoopie pies. You don't like my accent?
I'm trying. That's a good thing.
But by the end of this contract, I'm gonna have a thick Maine accent.
Sure.
You're gonna have a thick Maine accent.
Yeah, mine's gonna come back.
Yours will come back. Oh yeah, that's okay. Holes in that tree from the woodpecker. So that's basically what we got coming for you in the next series of videos. I've already got quite a few filmed, so you can look forward to a lot of stuff up here. Tried to hit up places that we don't think we'd go out of our way to get to normally, but because we're up here and we're close, we will go out of our way because it's not too far. So all this stuff up in the Northeast, we do go to. We already went to Canada, so I got a nice trip at Canada already filmed. So here we go. We are still following the Jewel Falls. So this is. We should be. Let's see. There should be like. Wait, we were on the orange. Oh, we were up here. Oh, so here we are. Okay. Well, let's keep moving because the mosquitoes are fun. It's been off and on raining all day today, just kind of a mist, and it seems like it's either gonna start raining or it's going to stop, but it won't choose. It keeps doing a little bit of both. And the Maine weather this summer has been pretty nice.
It was rainy when I got here.
Yeah, they said it's when you first got here it was raining a lot, and they said overall this summer lots of rain, very rainy summer for them, and they got some heat that they don't normally get. They said when I got in July, they said it was some of the hottest stretches of days they normally get, and it was very humid here, but it has since cooled down. It has not been too hot the last few weeks. Been nice, like 75, 80, just a little.
67, which is
yeah,
nice.
Yeah, 67, and we're in the middle of August right now. So it's been mostly like 75, 80 or so, but it's always been cloudy, and they say normally here it's not so cloudy. It's usually pretty clear skies all summer and beautiful, and you do have those days, but it's just been a little off, they have said, this year. So if you know anything about Maine, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoy the things that we're gonna do. We're still gonna be here for a whole nother month, so we got some stuff planned maybe to add to it, but that's what we're gonna be doing. So this video isn't gonna be really about this trail, which is a real nice trail, you know, only 5-10 minutes from downtown Portland. This video is about that we are now travel nursing together.
And our next location is to be determined.
Yeah, next location to be determined. Who knows? Likely will be further south. We don't want to do something in the fall up north. We want to do something, we're going to try to follow the weather a little bit if we can. Oh, and it looks like as I'm finishing up my speech here, we are making it to the falls. Cool. So this is Jewel Falls. And I could not find, like, I found a trailhead, but I did not find like a parking lot for this place. So I think you just park in the neighborhoods. There's lots of points in the neighborhoods you can park. I guess you just park on the streets. But there isn't like a dedicated parking lot. Here we go. Ooh. Well, I think the water's a little low.
Yeah.
Some of the pictures.
It's been raining.
Yeah, water's been high everywhere we've gone in Maine. And it's been raining a lot, but looks a little low from some of the pictures I've seen on Google. Huh. I wonder if it's like controlled by a dam or something up the way. I don't know. Cool. Is that a nice hike?
Yeah.
Did you want to go up over the bridge? Might as well. A nice bench here. So I think we're going to be able to get the pace of videos that we've been doing them at twice a week. I think we'll be able to maintain for quite a while. That's our goal, is to keep you entertained with at least 2 a week, as much as we can. In the winters, depending on where we are and what we're doing, we may only be able to get 1 in a week, or we may just slow down. We'll see. So looks like this might be one of the areas where you can park nearby. Yeah, you can see the water does get up maybe another foot or so higher than this. Now it looks like they just repaired some of that fencing there. Cool. Now we got English, French, Spanish, and I'm gonna guess like Tamil or something. Indian of some sort, probably. I haven't been yet. I think it's Tamil is what they write in India. Okay. So let's go ahead and head back towards the car. We'll end our hike here. So hope you're excited to join us on our adventures. We're gonna keep you informed with where we're going, what we're doing on Facebook, but probably more Instagram live stuff. So follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and when we take contracts or when we know where we're going, we'll let you know. And that way, if you've got some ideas, we're always looking for good ideas, little hidden gems to go to. You can share with us, because we'll get lots of hiking in this way. So I guess I'll just end the video here. I think I've done enough talking. So if you like the video, hit the like button right now. Comment, tell us where we should go. Heck, we haven't picked out. We're looking for a contract right now. Tell us a region we should go. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Plenty more coming from all over the US and everywhere else we go. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.